American Standard Heating and Air Conditioning is pleased to introduce Nexia Diagnostics. It's like having your own service tech built in. As an American Standard dealer, Nexia Diagnostics allows you to monitor system performance and troubleshoot your customers' heating and cooling systems from anywhere in the world using just a web browser and computer connected to the internet. With Nexia Diagnostics, you can see in real time active alerts, the current system status, and zone status for zone systems. And with the 824 and 850 control, you can also see system configuration and a runtime history graph with cycle count history. Nexia Diagnostics can push critical and major system alerts to dealers via email. All this before you ever even leave your office. It's easy to imagine the benefits to dealers. Alert homeowners to issues as soon as they arise, oftentimes before homeowners are even aware of them, and make necessary repairs before they develop into expensive emergencies. Reduced truck rolls and time of service visits, installation validation, enhanced maintenance programs, and best of all, a huge competitive advantage. And the benefits to homeowners are substantial as well. Fewer unneeded and duplicate service visits, reduced system downtime because potential problems can be detected before system failure, and peace of mind knowing that the health of their heating and cooling system can be professionally and remotely diagnosed. The best news about Nexia Diagnostics is that all a dealer needs is a computer connected to the internet and an active AS DealerNet account. Homeowners will need a compatible control connected to an active Nexia Home Intelligence account. Currently, the 950, 850, and 824 connected controls may be used with Nexia Diagnostics, and more controls are being added. Homeowners will also need to opt in to remote diagnostics. Dealers should request homeowners to opt in, which can be done simply by checking a permissions box located on the Edit home page of their Nexia Home Intelligence account. Dealers access Nexia Diagnostics through AS DealerNet. From the home screen, select Nexia Home Intelligence and then select Nexia Diagnostics. Nexia Diagnostics can also be accessed by going directly to dealer.mynexia.com and entering valid AS DealerNet login credentials. Before adding a homeowner system to your dealer's account, make sure you have the AUID of the control. Each control's AUID is unique, and the AUID on the 950 can be found by selecting Help and then About. On the 850 and 824, the AUID can be located by selecting Menu and System Info. With this information, log in to your Nexia Diagnostics account and click Add Customer. Enter your customer's information and click Save. Now click Add System and enter the control's AUID and an optional note or device description and click Save. The control is now added as a system under this customer's account, and the screen will display real-time data from the customer's home. If the customer has not connected the control to Nexia, a message will be displayed indicating such. Contact your customer, explain the benefits of Nexia Home Intelligence and Nexia Diagnostics, and request that they connect their control and opt in for Nexia Diagnostics. If the control is connected to a Nexia Home Intelligence account, but the customer has not yet opted in for remote diagnostics, the screen will display a message indicating that. Contact your customer and request that they click the Allow my registered HVAC dealer to view remote diagnostics for my air conditioning and/or heating system from the Edit home page of their Nexia account. The next time you log in to Nexia Diagnostics after your customer has opted in, their system will be live and real-time data will be reported. If you receive a message stating this device ID has already been used, this indicates that the control is registered with another dealer. You'll need to contact your customer and ask them to call Nexia Customer Support at 877-288-7707 and request their control be unassigned. Once this process is complete, you will be able to add the control to Nexia Diagnostics under your dealer login. Repeat this process for each Nexia Diagnostics supported control in your customer's home. The HVAC system information available on Nexia Diagnostics will vary depending on which control is installed, and as new and updated Nexia Diagnostics and control software is released, additional information will be reported. Currently, diagnostic information for the 950, 850, and 824 controls include any active alerts with the following information: the alert code, the alert severity, where red is critical, yellow is major, and green is normal, time and date the alert was asserted, problem description, a list of possible causes, unit type, that's the device that created the alert, serial ID, the serial number of the device, and in zoning systems, the zone number of the device. Nexia Diagnostics also reports system status in real time. This information includes the current indoor temperature, indoor relative humidity, and heating and cooling set points, the software version on the control, the fan mode and the heating and cooling relative humidity set points, the current system mode, system status, and fan status, the system load value and outdoor temperature, and the operating status of a humidifier, dehumidifier, or a ventilation system. And for zone systems, Nexia Diagnostics reports the current static pressure, discharge temperature, return air temperature, and excess air percentage. For 824 and 850 controls, system configuration data is also returned: the outdoor unit type, the number of stages, and the compressor type; the indoor unit type, the number of stages and the blower type, what accessories are installed, and any lockouts that are enabled, like aux heating, compressor cooling first stage, and compressor heating first stage. A runtime history graph is displayed for 824 and 850 controls and provides up to 30 days of data for the heating mode and the cooling mode. You can scroll from day to day using the right and left arrows, or you can jump to a specific date using the Date Selection tool in the upper right-hand section of the window. The graph includes the indoor temperature, heating and cooling set points, outdoor temperature, heating or cooling operation per stage, and a visual indication of any alert that is present. At the bottom of the graph, a cycle count history is provided for the last 30 days. The number of cycles and sum of the cycle time in minutes is provided. For zoned systems using a 950 control, the following information is also available for each zone: the current damper position, the zone size, the zone indoor temperature and relative humidity, heating and cooling set points, current zone load value, indoor sensor type, zone mode, and the voting status of each zone. Nexia Diagnostics was created in collaboration with dealers to help them stay in touch with their customers and provide industry-exclusive diagnostics and troubleshooting tools. If you are an American Standard dealer with an active AS DealerNet login, you have everything you need to get started with Nexia Diagnostics. Register a system today and see just how easy it is to provide the next generation of service and reliability to your customers. Nexia Diagnostics. It's like having your own service tech built in.